Hey you guys, good morning healthy people. How you guys doing? It's that time of year for me again. Y'all know I don't like to be cold, so I am bundled. In addition to that, it's not as early today, but it should be earlier tomorrow, but so there's some natural sunlight out. But here we are. We are still working on the lifestyle area of faith, and today's journal prompt question is, how do you block out the noise of others? So how do you block out the noise of others, especially those that don't have your best interests at heart? I mean, even sometimes people do, but you still need to figure things out and know things for yourself. You can always talk to wise counsel. That's important. But how do you block out the noise of others? And that's what we're going to journal about for the next 2.5 minutes. And I will be journaling with you guys because I said I wanted to. I said that I wanted to get back into journaling. And of course, I lost my pen. So I am using one of my children's art pencils. And I'm trying not to use the sharp one or the big one because I feel like they're in the process of using those. But here we are. I said I was going to stop doing side profiles because that's crazy. Because y'all know, side profile, unless you're being intentional, it's a side profile, right? And some people do have nice side profiles, though. I'm not that person. So I'll give y'all half a side profile. I don't even know why. I feel like I don't even have a scar right here, so I don't even know where that's coming from. I literally don't know where that's coming from, but maybe I do. I feel like it's just showing up that way, darker than it is. I haven't been wearing my sunscreen when I've been going on my walks and runs, and you know they make your hyperpigmentation show. And I low-key been wearing oil because it's been dark when I leave the house, but when I come home it's night. I low-key been wearing oil on my face, and so I have to stop doing that. Wishing you healthier, happier habits. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a happy Monday.